Find the area and volume. Hello, little stars. Solve math problems. A cylindrical water tank has a diameter of 2 meters and a height of 4 meters. The tank is filled with water to a height of 3 meters. How much water is in the tank? Answer is, the tank contains approximately 9,425 liters of water. A cube has a surface area of 338 square centimeters. What is its volume? Answer is, the volume of the cube is approximately 421.9 cubic centimeters. Gia is gifting his best friend a box of donuts. He wants to wrap it so he can keep the gift a surprise. If the box is 22 centimeters by 15 centimeters by 5 centimeters, what is the minimum amount of wrapping paper he needs? Answer is, Gia needs at least 1030 square centimeters of wrapping paper. A landscaper needs to lay turf for a client. The diagram above shows the dimensions of the client's backyard. How many square meters of turf does the landscaper need to cover the entire backyard? Answer is, the landscaper needs 77.5 square meters of turf to cover the entire backyard. A cylindrical water tank has a diameter of 1.5 meters and a height of 3 meters. The tank is filled with water to a height of 2 meters. How much water is in the tank? Answer is, the tank contains approximately 3,534 liters of water. A cube has a surface area of 555 square centimeters. What is its volume? Answer is, the volume of the cube is approximately 889 cubic centimeters. Great job, little genius. Hope you solved them correctly. Please like, share, and subscribe.